Seminar on informal business sector accounting. The purpose of this seminar is to try to bridge the gap in financial inclusion of these sectors, the informal sector. What do you mean by informal sector? Let's start from there. Informal sector essentially are those business sectors that are not registered by the government. Other characteristics include the fact that they are usually small size, being small to medium scale enterprises, and they could be found in different sectors of every economy, including Nigeria. Usually small size businesses here and there. So what are those challenges that specifically face this type of businesses? One, lack of awareness and education about the importance of accounting. They don't know the accounting record they're supposed to keep, and they don't know how to prepare those records. They also have resources problem. They don't have the necessary tools for them to be able to keep these records and prepare the necessary accounts. There is also the difficulty of tracking their transactions. Their transactions are not easily tracked. And so it makes it difficult to get those data they are going to use to even prepare the financial statements. And the last important challenge is that of regulatory compliance. There are a lot of regulations from government and government agencies that this business sector find it difficult to comply with. So what are those books and accounts that they are expected to prepare? We have books like the cash book, the journals, and ledger accounts that are supposed to be prepared by every business. So these informal sector businesses are also supposed to be keeping cash book, to keep journals, and they are supposed to have open different ledger accounts for different category of financial transactions. Next to that are the financial statements that they are supposed to prepare. The following financial statements are expected to be prepared by every business, including informal sector businesses. One is the statement of financial position. That is a statement that will show the assets and liabilities of these businesses. Next is statement of comprehensive income, that will show all their income and expenses and determine whether they made profits or they incur loss at the end of the period. We also have statement of cash flow that will show all cash inflow and cash outflow of the entity. And lastly, we have statement of changes in equity that is going to show their equity position at the beginning of the period and end of the period. What is equity? Equity simply means the money invested by owners in that entity. Thank you for listening.